Welcome to Malaybalay City in Bukidnon, and welcome to Antro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoy curating it. The original inhabitants of Malaybalay were various indigenous groups belonging to the Lumad ethno-linguistic communities. Among these groups are the Bukidnon, Higaonon, Manobo, and Talandig. These communities traditionally engage in agriculture, hunting, and gathering, adapting to the diverse ecosystem of the area. Lumad societies in the region were characterized by a decentralized structure with communities led by local rulers or datus. They practice a form of Sweden agriculture, cultivating hillside fields and utilizing forest resources sustainably. Social organization was often based on kinship ties and mutual cooperation within the community. The Lumad people of Malaybalay had rich spiritual beliefs centered around animism and the worship of nature spirits. Mountains, rivers, and other natural elements were considered sacred, and rituals and ceremonies were conducted to maintain harmony with the environment and seek protection from spirits. The geographical location of Malaybalay made it a part of wider trade networks connecting different Lumad communities in Mindanao. Exchange of goods, cultural practices, and social interactions contributed to the diversity of the pre-colonial societies in the region. Much of the history and cultural practices of the Lumad communities in Malaybalay were passed down through generations via oral traditions. Myths, legends, and epics played a crucial role in preserving the collective memory of the people. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the Philippines in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Malaybalay and the surrounding regions. The imposition of foreign rule brought about changes in governance, culture, and religion. Despite these changes, the Lumad communities in Malaybalay have continued to preserve their cultural heritage, and their traditional way of life remains an integral part of their region's identity. A Spanish colonial-era legend recounts the origin of Malaybalay's name during the encounter between local children and Spanish explorers. Upon meeting children playing near Sawaga, the soldiers inquired about the place's name. Misinterpreting the question, the children responded, "Tagbalay-balay kay," or "We are playing house," leading the soldiers to record the name as Malaybalay. The original inhabitants migrated from the seashores of northern Mindanao due to pirates and Spanish colonizers. Spanish missionaries established settlements like Sumilao, Linabo, Mailag, and Silae. In 1850, the Spaniards burned Kalasungay during a final battle with the Lumads, marking the last resistance against Spanish conquerors. Survivors returned to the area, establishing a new settlement near the Sacoob River under Datu Mampaalong's protection. Accepting Spanish dominion on June 15, 1877, Malaybalay became Oroquita del Interior. Tribal chieftains including Mariano Melendez or Datu Mampaalong governed Malaybalay under Spanish rule. In 1907, the Philippine Commission separated Bukidnon from Misamis Oriental, creating the province of Agusan and the sub-province of Bukidnon. Malaybalay became a municipality on October 19, 1907, and the provincial capital when Bukidnon gained independence in 1917. During World War II, Japanese troops occupied Malaybalay until liberation forces, Philippine Commonwealth forces, and guerrillas freed the city in 1945. On March 26, 1996, the municipality sought city conversion. On February 11, 1998, Malaybalay was declared the first component city of Bukidnon.